Welcome to ColorLens. This tutorial will guide you on how to use the ColorLens application to identify colors around you, especially if you are colorblind. ColorLens uses your phone's camera and voice guidance to help you recognize colors easily. Let's get started. When you open the app, you will first see the welcome screen. This screen gives you a short introduction about the features of ColorLens. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the button that says Start Exploring. Tap this button to continue. After tapping Start Exploring, the app will display a message that says Camera Permission Not Granted. To continue using the app, simply tap the Grant Camera Permission, then tap Allow to give ColorLens access to your phone's camera. Once permission is granted, the camera will automatically open and you will now be directed to the
Red.
color detection screen.
Red,
On the color
Red.
detection screen, you will
Green.
see a button labeled
Green.
Disable White Balance.
green,
When this button is visible, white balance is enabled to improve
Red.
color accuracy using a
Green.
white paper as a light reference. When white balance is enabled, a left
Blue.
box appears where you place a
Blue.
white paper to adjust lighting. This helps ensure more accurate color detection. You will also see the Upload Image button. This allows you to detect colors from image saved on your phone.
Red.
After selecting an image, you can adjust the picture by moving it until the color you
Orange.
want to detect is inside the box. Once aligned, the app will automatically analyze and identify the color.
Red,
When you tap the freeze frame
Gray.
button, the live
Red.
camera view will pause. This
Red.
allows you to carefully examine
Green.
the color of the object
Blue.
without any movement.
brown,
To return to the live camera, simply tap the unfreeze button.
Red.
In the top
Pink.
corner of the screen, you will find the settings button. This allows you to customize what information is shown on the color detection screen.
red,
When you
Red.
turn off the real color name, it will no longer appear on the detection screen. When you turn it on again,
white,
the real color name will
White.
reappear. The same
Pink.
applies to the color family option.
gray, pink,
When voice output is enabled, the app announces the detected color through audio feedback. The
Purple
way
gray.
the color is announced
Animal
depends on the
blood.
selected mode. If family color is
Amaranth red.
selected, the app speaks the color group. If real name is selected, it announces the exact
The
color
left
name.
box
If
should be
disable
white.
is selected, the app does not provide any voice output. Inside the settings, you will also see a question mark icon. When you tap this icon, you will see two options. The first option is about the app. This section shows important information about ColorLens, such as the purpose of the application and its developers. The second option is video tutorial. This will redirect you to a guide that shows how to properly use the application step by step. This makes it easier for users to understand both the purpose of the app and how to use it correctly. And that's how you can use ColorLens to easily identify colors with confidence. With features like white balance, upload image, freeze frame, and customized settings, ColorLens is designed to help you see colors more clearly. Thank you for watching!